And please call the next witness, Officer Bjornson.
Sir, right down here, please. Stand right here, please. Mr. Court, raise your right hand.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony about given this matter before the court is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Right this way, sir. Can you watch it? Okay.
You may inquire.
Please state your name and spell your last for the record.
It's Brian Bjornson. Last name's Bjornson.
And how are you employed?
As a police officer with the city of Boise.
And how long have you been in law enforcement?
6 years.
Would you briefly describe your nature of your duties?
Yeah, I respond to different calls for service and provide investigative support for many units within the department.
Would you briefly describe your training that you received in relation with those duties?
Yeah, I hold an advanced post certificate as well as have gone through the Boise Police Advanced Academy, and I've attended numerous trainings in addition to those.
Let me direct your attention to December 8th, 2020 at approximately 5 p.m. What was your assignment for that day?
I was attached to the command post for an organized event that was occurring at the Central District Health.
And while you were monitoring that location, did you receive any calls for service?
We did.
Please describe that call.
We received information that there was a call on Sandstone Court for a group of people that were causing some sort of disturbance.
Do you recall who made that call?
Yes, I do.
And that call for service, is that in Boise, Ada County, state of Idaho?
Yes.
Did you conduct an investigation as a result of that call for service?
Yes, I did.
And as a result of that investigation, what information did you obtain?
I found a video posted to Facebook that was a live video that showed a few individuals in front of the residents that were making a bunch of noise and just creating a disturbance.
Do you recall the name listed on the Facebook page?
Yeah, it was Susan L.
Is that page public or private?
It's a public page.
Did you see posts on that page?
Yes, I did.
Did you review photos on that page?
Yes.
Do you recall how many photos?
I don't recall specifically. There were numerous.
Were there any videos on that page?
I believe there was, yeah.
Do you recall how many?
I don't know.
Did any videos stand out to you?
Yeah, the one that was the live video that I had just mentioned.
Did you watch that video?
I did, yeah.
What stood out to you when you watched that video?
There were 3 individuals that were making a disturbance and seemed upset and were just making a lot of noise.
Do you recall what the individuals were wearing?
I don't remember the descriptions on all 3 of them. I do remember one of them was like a yellow traffic type vest. It was very bright colors.
Did you notice anything else about their appearance?
I noticed that there was a revolver handgun on their right hip, I believe. The subject had long brown hair that I believe was in a ponytail.
Do you recall what you heard specifically in the video?
I don't remember specifically what they were saying. In summary, they were upset with some of the COVID mandates that were occurring at that time.
Were you able to identify the people in the video?
Yes, I was.
And how did you identify them?
Through comparing photographs of their Idaho driver's license or ID cards.
Do you see the person from the video in the courtroom today?
Yes, I do.
Would you please point him out and describe an article of clothing he's wearing?
Yeah, he's over here at the table wearing the black T-shirt.
Right. Permission to approach with what's been marked as State's Exhibit 2.
Granted.
Do you recognize that?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a video that I had just watched prior to coming into this room. The video that we had just talked about from the event in question.
And you reviewed the contents?
Yes, I did.
And do they accurately and truly reflect what you observed on Facebook, on the Facebook video?
Yes, I do.
Is the video depicted in its entirety from the Facebook post?
Yes.
The state moves to admit and publish what's been marked as State's Exhibit 2.
Any objection?
I just renew my objection from earlier that to exclude the one thing we can't talk about, we can't discuss content, and I think that this video.
Your Honor, may we
Okay.
approach?
And so go ahead and come on up. Okay. And so with regard to the objection, I am going to first watch the video, and then I will render my decision. I may renew my previous decision or something different. So we're going to take a short recess. The jury will be excused. I'll go ahead and grab that video from Officer Bennett, and then we'll proceed.
All rise, please.
Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and have the jury be excused. We're back on the record in CR 0120482236. We did take a recess for the court to review the video that was the state had moved to admit and publish, and an objection had been raised as to some additional information that's on the video. The court is going to overrule the objection and allow the video. However, I will draft a limiting instruction to include at the with the jury instructions that the jury will take back into the deliberation room, instructing them that they are not to consider any other statements from any other person on the videos.
Right.
And when determining whether you are guilty or not guilty.
Okay.
Okay, and so I have the video here. Did anyone want to examine that it's the same video before we begin?
The state
Very good.
are comfortable with moving forward.
Okay, so let's go ahead and give that back to our witness, and then we'll call the jurors in.
Jury's present and accounted for, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. You may all be seated. And you may continue.
Your Honor, the state would move to admit and publish what's been marked as State's Exhibit 2.
Okay, you may do so.
I'll go ahead and play the video.
Oh, Boise and beyond. Here we are we're at Lockdown Lachiondo's house. Because you know what? She lies. She lies about vaccines and she kills business. So here we are. We have some messaging for Lockdown Lachiondo. Oops, I guess I can't rotate my device. No lockdown. I'm out here with the guys and we're just about ready for the CDH meeting to start. I think we're ready. The guys say we're ready. So,
Officer, could you identify the individual on the screen, please?
Yeah, the individual wearing the orange vest is who I know to be Robert Jones.
Thank you.
what?
Let me hit this. I got a little 30-second.
Your Honor.
It's a beautiful neighborhood. It must be nice for Diana to live in such luxury, you know, while other people are losing the shirts on their backs. Good for her. That's just great. Here we are. I see a neighbor right on.
Pacino, Little Scarface. Okay.
Little Scarface.
You play rock? Okay. Okay. You want to play rock? You want to mascot kid? Huh? You want a mascot?
Oh yeah. So the deal is they're getting ready to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're just gonna make a little noise out here in Boise. nearly 100% survival rate. In case you weren't certain, I thought I'd let you know. Sorry if that's a little loud, but I gotta do what I gotta do here. We need Diana's neighbors to know. Yeah, I think I'll bring my sign. I think that's a good one. I'm pretty pleased with it. Nearly 100% survival rate. And lockdown Lachiando lies about vaccines and kills business. Now, why would a person kill business in their own town? I don't think that makes any sense, do you? I think what Diana needs is a little more horn. God, I wish I had some cowbell. Anybody bring a cowbell? Okay, Doppler effect, go! Doppler, we're gonna go Doppler, David, watch. Nice. I like it. I feel good. This thing hurts my hand. So I feel good. I feel good about letting Diana Lachiando have a piece of my mind. Since she actually is trying to shut us out of government and lock us in our homes. No, I got a little problem with that. I sure do. You know what? I think I honked all I can honk. I think my honker died. It burned the heck out of my hand. What is that? Is that cold? Is that chemical? Okay. Yeah, so, I'm glad everybody's along for the ride, you know? And I've been working on my drumming skills, so let's check this out. Wow, I feel that. That feels pretty good. We're kind of wondering if the cops are going to show up. So far, the neighbors don't seem real interested. Maybe they're aware that Diana Lachiando is trying to steal our rights. Or maybe they're not aware and they need to know. Diana! Diana! You guys like my rhythm? You know what? Yeah. I think I burned my hand with that horn thing, so it's a good thing. Oh, this is a very nice effect. Excuse me, Robert. It's like I want to get a couple more buckets, and I want to play bucket hockey! Bucket hockey! Yes! You guys, sometimes I admit I feel a little bit aggressive and pissed off! I don't know, there's just something about having my constitutional rights stolen that does that to me. I go a little nutty. But also, the really great thing about beating the hell out of a Home Depot drum is that there are all these different ways you can hit it. And it makes slightly different sounds. I'm happy to report. Well, guys, I think maybe... Yeah, I'm out of breath, you know, Robert. Oh, yeah! Go, David! Go, David! I can't tell if there's a beat or just noise. And I love noise! Fight the power! Just the odd dance party in Diana Lachiando's yard. Because, this is how we resist the lockdown. I don't know if you noticed, but there are no masks out here tonight. And that's the way we like it. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to sign off. If we get visited by anybody interesting, I'll be sure to bring you back in. In the meantime, you might want to check out what's going on over at Central District Health on Armstrong in Boise. Because I think a lot of people turned out there today. Oh, good, there's a neighbor down there. We got a neighbor down there. All right. Over and out from Diana Lachiando's cozy, snug as a bug in a rug little house here in Boise, where you know, she's holed up. She's holed up because she's, I guess, too fearful to go to the meeting at Central District Health. I don't really know. So I'll catch you guys later. I'm not going to bang anymore because there's a dog, but I mean, they didn't really have to come this way, but okay, over now.
Let me turn those lights up. Okay. Did you have any further questions?
No further questions from the state, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. And now you may cross-examine the witness.
Your Honor, if I may briefly approach before we start cross.
Okay. If, like, Lana as well. If you'll hit the white noise. Thank you, Ms. Kennedy. Okay, and so now, Mr. Jones, if you would like to cross-examine the witness, you may step on up and do so.
Good morning, sir, or afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I got that you've been a cop with Boise PD for 6 years, right?
Yep.
Did you have previous law enforcement?
No,
No. Did you have a job before being a cop?
I did.
Okay. I don't think I'm allowed to go there, huh? Ask, okay. I guess I'll ask it. Object. What was that?
I worked both in landscaping and in bars and restaurants.
Okay. As a cop with lots of training, is open carry of a pistol legal in Idaho?
No. Yeah,
not?
did you say it, is it
Objection
legal or illegal?
Is it?
Okay, and so let's go ahead and wait just a moment. And so there's an objection as to relevance. Did you wish to respond briefly?
The gun's been brought up several times. There's been bad connotation to it.
I'll overrule the objection. You can ask that question.
Okay. Is it legal to open carry a pistol?
Is it legal? Yes.
Is it legal to conceal carry a pistol?
Yes.
Is it legal to open carry a rifle?
Yes.
Conceal carry a rifle, although it might be hard.
Sure.
Okay. And just a correction, I've noticed a couple of people have made it. It was a yellow vest, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you, were you on the scene?
I was not, no.
So your testimony comes directly from the video?
Yes.
Do you know of any other officers that were on the scene at the time?
I do not know.
Did you, in the video, did you ever see me use the bullhorn?
I don't believe so.
Did you ever see me use
Objection, Your Honor, the video speaks for itself and has been admitted and published into evidence.
Okay. Do you wish to respond?
just the different elements that are being alleged? There's a lot of stuff going on. I'm just clarifying.
I'll overrule the objection, and you may ask the questions with regard to the elements.
Okay. Okay. So the boat. Did you ever see me use the boat horn? Sorry.
The bullhorn specifically? I don't believe so.
The boat horn. Sorry.
The boat horn?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what that is. I didn't see you specifically use a horn.
Okay. Did you see me hit the bucket?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Did you notice on the end of the video that the person narrating the video said that we were going to stop making noise because there was a dog coming down the road?
I don't recall specifically what she said. I'd have to watch it again.
Can we do that or no?
And
Can we just like show the end so we don't have to go through the whole thing again, or?
Okay, so there's a process.
Okay.
And
So no or yes?
there's a process for it, and I haven't heard the process yet.
Oh, okay, so you need me to say something. I don't know what to say. So the
And
jury will have the video and the,
they will, in fact.
okay. Did you, in the video, see any time that we crossed the property line?
I didn't see specifically in the video that.
Okay, so According to what you've seen in the video, we stayed on the sidewalk the whole time?
According to what I saw in that video, I believe so.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
I have no
and,
further questions, I think,
okay, thank you.
at this point.
Nothing further from the state.
Okay, may the witness be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.